Hey there, entertainment lovers. I'm Suzanne, and welcome back to our channel where we dish out the hottest celebrity news. Today, we've got a trio of exciting updates that'll keep you glued to your screens. From superhero casting news to glamorous premieres and music drops, let's dive in. First up, Marvel fans are buzzing. Stranger Things star Sadie Sink is officially joining Tom Holland in Spider-Man 4. The news broke today, and we can't wait to see her bring her acting chops to the Marvel Universe. Details are still under wraps, but this casting is already making waves. Could she be playing a new villain or ally? The speculation is endless. Next, Hollywood's elite gathered in NYC for the premiere of Black Bag, the gripping spy thriller starring Cate Blanchett and Michael Fassbender. The film hits theaters tomorrow, and the red carpet was packed with stars like Regé-Jean Page and Tom Burke. Kate stunned in Givenchy, while Marisa Abela rocked a Carolina Herrera gown. The movie's about loyalty and betrayal, perfect for fans of intense dramas. Music lovers, rejoice! Ariana Grande announced the deluxe edition of her album Eternal Sunshine, dropping March 28th. Titled Brighter Days Ahead, it's packed with new tracks and remixes. The singer shared the news on social media, and fans are already counting down. This is the perfect way to celebrate the album's one-year anniversary. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your squad, and subscribe for daily scoops. Turn on those notifications so you never miss a beat. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Same channel, same energy.